In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to share Google Drive image link. So first of all, you have to open your Google Drive app. Now you have to click on this option. Let's say I have to share this image link to my friends. So for that, you have to click on these three dots here. Now you have to see here share option. You have to click on this share option. After that, you will see this interface. Now you have to click on this lock option in a down left corner, and now you will see this interface. Here you have to click on this option. Only people added can open with this link. So now you have to click on viewer option here. After that, you have to wait for some time. Now you can see this option updated. So now you have to click again on this option, and now you have to see here copy link option. So clicking after copy link option, this image file link copied, and you can share this link to anyone you want. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.